So many corpses. All half eaten. Oh, the stench. Cushions and luxury. These look like seats for some kind of theater.
Thank the gods! Hurry! We have to leave before he comes back!
Who? What is happening here?
The embalmer. He's throwing people to crocodiles. His guests watch as they're ripped apart.
Be calm. You are safe. Where is he now?
Safe! No one is safe here. He kidnapped me at the market where I was selling fish. I'm getting out of here. I never imagined anyone could do something like this.
I will find a way to the market. This embalmer has given his last show.
Gamer wen nesu. Fege.
You there! Stop!
They will attack on sight here.
Oi! Out of the way! What manner of fool are you?
Now I embalm you with death. A sick man. That is an end to his evil. May the gods deal with those who watched his shows.